Welcome to Love is Blind!
And for shake, we have the creamy gin sour.
Now, before we see this drink, is this the type of drink that I could put on my shoulders?
Before I find out you're good in bed, I want to find out you're good in head.
Half a cup of ice into a blender. 2 ounces of gin into the blender. Okay, 2 ounces of heavy cream. Then we've got 5 ounces of club soda. Why are we putting a carbonated beverage into the blender? Don't know. Doesn't make sense. But that's perfect for a drink just for shake. Doesn't make sense. Goes in the blender. 2 ounces of lime juice. 2 ounces of lemon juice. 1 ounce of triple sec. Half a tablespoon of sugar. And we'll blend this until frothy.
Look at this. It's like a gallon of milk.
Froth.
I want to you emotionally before I actually you.
And for Deepti, we have the Don't Be Bitter with 1 ounce of vodka. Then we've got 1 ounce of cinnamon schnapps. 1 ounce of cream, again, common theme between these two drinks. Finally, a 1/4 ounce of amaretto almond liqueur. We're gonna garnish it with just a little bit of cinnamon.
Look, Shake, man, you got a bad rap. I can't even say that. I can't say that with a straight face.
Listen, every woman here is beautiful. I think you're all beautiful. I'm not attracted to all of you. Unfortunately, the only one I'm attracted to is Vanessa. And and I wish I wasn't.
That looked really good. I tasted it. It's toxic. that is like gonna hit on my sister when I bring him home at the family reunion. No, very frothy. Am I attracted to it? No. You know, at first, sure, I made all these promises, and I grabbed the drink.
She's within a 2-mile radius from me. That booty is not safe.
Oh, nope. But at the end of the day, it just reminds me of like a family member.
She reminds me so much of my aunt.
I'm leaving this one at the altar.
What you're drinking right now and the feelings you have right now are probably what Deepti was feeling for like a month.
The more I drink this drink, and the more diluted my, feelings are.
Interesting.
I think that he's the only real one on the show. Maybe he was right about everything.
It's nature, baby. We're animals.
No, you treat animals. We're human beings.
I could not put this drink on my shoulders. I give this a 4.5.
I'm gonna have to give this one 7.3, which is, in my perspective, good. I'm a relatively harsh reviewer. Pretty solid.
I feel like that drink deserves better though, and so does she.
Right. Just don't be bitter.
Then we've got 2 ounces of lemon juice and 2 ounces of lime juice. So I squeezed a lemon and I squeezed limes to get our 2 ounces, and then I forgot which one was which because honestly they look identical. Lime juice, 2 ounces of heavy cream. Got him! This right here is the fucking elephant in my ear.
Is that the kind of drink that your aunt would drink?
If you could look Shake in the eyes right now and ask him or tell him something, what would you say?
Dude, why are you the way you are? Deepti was a catch!